The intricate clockwork spins, each gear a life, each spring a hope, driving forward a relentless, unstoppable machine. The factory hums, a mechanical orchestra of pistons and steam, churning out the endless needs of a society consumed by progress. A lone inventor tinkers, driven by a vision that surpasses the limitations of his time, seeking to unlock the secrets hidden within the cogs. Whispers of rebellion stir in the shadows, a yearning for freedom from the relentless grind, a fight against the gears that seek to crush individuality. A forbidden romance blossoms amidst the gears, a testament to the enduring power of love in a world defined by cold machinery. The council convenes, their faces etched with concern as they grapple with the growing unrest, seeking to maintain order in a society teetering on the brink of chaos. A chase ensues through the labyrinthine streets, a desperate flight from the relentless pursuit of the clockwork enforcers, a battle against the unyielding grip of the machine. The gears grind to a halt, a moment of unexpected stillness amidst the chaos, a chance for reflection and a glimpse of hope. A hidden message is revealed, a spark of truth igniting within the machine, a call to awaken from the slumber of conformity. The inventor unveils his creation, a machine designed not for progress but for liberation, a device to disrupt the relentless cycle of the gears. A daring act of sabotage throws the factory into chaos, a wrench thrown into the gears of the machine, a moment of rebellion against the established order. The council reacts with fury, their power threatened by the growing dissent, vowing to crush the rebellion and restore order to the Clockwork City. A final confrontation looms, a battle for the heart of the Clockwork City, a clash between those who seek to control and those who yearn to be free. The gears begin to turn again, but not as before. A new rhythm emerges from the chaos, a symphony of freedom and individuality. The clockwork heart beats on, but with a newfound pulse, a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity within the machine. And so, the cog continues its journey, a constant reminder that even within the most complex mechanisms, there lies the potential for change, for hope, and for the enduring heartbeat of humanity. However, the gears never stop turning, as the cycle of progress and regress continues, constantly turning, changing, moving, and sometimes even breaking. The cycle continues, but the inhabitants, free of the machine's oppression, are able to decide their own destiny. But in every cycle, there are always those who wish to control the cogs and gears for their own benefit, so it is up to future generations to continue to fight for freedom.